What's going on? What's going on? What is going on? It's your boy Nori, the host of the Gliding on Tools YouTube channel. And what I have for you today, we're going to discuss and look at lights. Stay tuned. Hey, like I said, hey, welcome back to the Gliding on Tools YouTube channel. And today's topic is going to be lights, specifically the turn signals for the Road Glide ST. Can you still believe that Harley Moco is putting halogen bulbs for your turn signals front and the rear? Man, look, we in 2022. They should be LEDs by this point, but it's all good because I have something for that. And what I got is the Pro Beam Custom Dynamics LED turn signals for the front and the rear that I'm about to put on. And then I'm gonna just show you a comparison. I'm not gonna show you the installation because there's probably thousands of those videos already out on YouTube. I'm just gonna show you a comparison and how it's gonna look like. So let's get right to it. All right. So I installed one side of each, front and rear, so I can show you the comparison. These are the Custom Dynamics Pro Beam turn signals, front and rear for the Road Glide ST. I'm gonna spin my camera around, and of course, we're gonna go and take a look at what I have here. All right, check this out. This is the stock. Okay, that's the stock. It's amber. That's the way it comes. You can barely see that thing day or night. Now if I come around to the other side, now I have the Custom Dynamics lighted here, bright white, and then when you turn the turn signal on, they brighten on and off amber. So let me put the turn signals on, and you be the judge of that. Bring it down some. Look at that. Look at the brightness comparison. Now if I go to the rear, coming around, look at the difference here. The rear comes stock halogen amber bulbs, and I turned them to red, and you can clearly see the winner here, in my book at least. So like I said, as you can all see, those make things a whole lot. Let me shut this back off. Those make things life a whole lot easier for you when you're out there riding in the dark, as well as during the daylight hours. So that's all I have for this video today, and until next time, enjoy your ride.